Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Hemrick and I'm the founder and managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Are you applying for a green card or another immigration benefit and you're worried about the public charge rule? Let's break it down so you can understand what it means, who it applies to, and what public benefits are safe to use. The public charge test is used by immigration officers when deciding some immigration applications. They look at whether you're likely to become primarily dependent on the government in the future. They consider things like your age, health, income, education, and whether you have a financial sponsor. Public charge only applies to certain immigration applications, mainly family-based green card applications or visas from abroad. It does not apply to everybody, and it never applies just because a family member used benefits. Only the applicant is considered. Who is not subject to the public charge? If you're applying for any of the following, public charge does not apply to you. Special immigrant juvenile status, U or T visas or green cards based on them, asylum or refugee status, VAWA, DACA, whether it's initial or renewal, TPS, that is a temporary protected status, a green card renewal, or U.S. citizenship. If you're not sure which application you're filing, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to discuss this with you. What benefits are considered for public charge? There are two types of benefits considered in the public charge test, such as cash assistance for income like Social Security income, and long-term care paid by Medicaid, such as a nursing home stay, for example. If your child or someone else in your family uses these programs, but you do not, and you are the applicant, it doesn't count against you. For example, we've had plenty of people that are getting a green card perhaps through a spouse, and maybe they have a U.S. citizen child who is getting food stamps. This won't count against you because your U.S. citizen child is entitled to get food stamps if he or she meets the qualifications. Which benefits are safe to use? Things like school meals, unemployment benefits, workers' comp, tax credits, housing programs like Section 8, financial aid for college, will not harm your immigration application. If an officer thinks that you will rely on government support in the future, your application may be denied. However, the officer must look at the entire situation in the aggregate, including the affidavit of support that you've provided from your petitioner and/or joint sponsor. And sometimes you can be given the chance to post a bond to demonstrate that should you not meet the financial qualifications, there's still money there to cover any support that you might need. Interestingly, COVID-19 testing, treatment, vaccines, and stimulus checks are not considered under the public charge rule. Don't skip your health care because of fear. It's safe and will not affect your case. In sum, public charge does not apply to most people, and even if it does, only a few public benefits count. Before making any decisions that affect your health or your family's well-being, give us a call and we'll be happy to answer your questions about this or any other immigration matter. Our telephone number is 833-848-7838. You can also check us out online at www.hemrick.law.